natural disasters, and emergency kits. It is important to be prepared for emergencies. If you can't go to a grocery store, do you have enough food? If the water isn't safe to drink, how will you get clean water? There are many kinds of natural disasters. Examples of natural disasters in Oregon are earthquakes, landslides, storms, tsunamis, volcanic eruptions, and wildfires. If a natural disaster happens, you need to be prepared. For example, there was an ice storm in the Willamette Valley in January 2024. The ice storm damaged the water system in Springfield, Oregon. People needed to boil their water to be safe. But the ice storm also damaged the electric system. It is difficult to boil water without electricity. The grocery stores ran out of bottled water very quickly. If people didn't have their own emergency water, and if they couldn't make a fire or use a camping stove, then they didn't have safe water. You need to have enough water for everyone who lives with you for 14 days. You need 1 gallon of water per person per day in your emergency kit. So if 4 people live in your house, you need 4 times 14 equals 56 gallons of water in case of emergencies. Don't forget extra water for your pets. What else do you need in your emergency kit? Read the checklist on the next page. Emergency kits. What do you need for your emergency kit? Check what you already have. Bottled water, first aid kit, flashlight and batteries, fire extinguisher, can opener, canned food, warm clothes and shoes, radio and batteries, cash, blankets or sleeping bag, cell phone charger, tools, medicine, personal papers and ID, toiletries.